Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Outreach.io automation when permissions change, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Outreach.io automation when permissions change, start by logging into your Outreach.io account. Navigate to the settings menu located in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Select the user management option from the settings menu. Identify the user whose permissions have changed and click on their profile. Review the current role assigned to the user. If the user needs additional permissions, click on the Edit Permissions button. Select the relevant permissions that need to be restored. Once you have adjusted the permissions, click the Save button to apply the changes. Return to the main dashboard and navigate to the Workflows tab. Locate the specific automation workflow that is affected by the permission changes. Click on the workflow to open its details. Check the triggers and actions associated with the workflow. Ensure that they align with the restored permissions for the user. If any changes are necessary, adjust the settings accordingly. After confirming that all settings are correct, click the Activate button to re-enable the workflow. Monitor the automation for any issues over the next few days. If problems persist, revisit the user management settings to verify permissions again. Consider reaching out to your Outreach.io support team for assistance if needed. Regularly review user permissions to prevent disruptions in automation. Document any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.